In this video, I'll show you how to easily remove an email address on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and go to the menu. Tap the gear icon to access Settings, Privacy, then tap on Meta Account Center. Next, tap on Personal Details. At the top, you will find Contact Info, where you can see all your email addresses and phone numbers associated with the Meta Account Center. You might have multiple emails and phone numbers listed here. To remove an email, tap on the email address you want to remove. Scroll down and tap on Delete Email. Then confirm by hitting Delete again. Keep in mind that you must have at least one email and one phone number associated with your account to log in and receive verification code. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.